This bundle looks pretty nice, I have to say. This is from Stitch Fix. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and a try on. And I don't know, this looks pretty promising. Honestly, I can't remember what they sent me in the preview because you have an opportunity to get a preview, and I don't know who it's all offered to, but then you can pick 5 items, up to 5 items for them to send to you, or you can let your stylist decline it all and let them send pick some items for you. And I think that's what I ended up doing this time. I don't think there's anything that I kept. I don't remember. I think that happens to a lot of us. It's like, okay, it's been a while. And if you get a lot of boxes, it's hard to keep them all straight. So I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna show them to you real quick, and then I'm gonna do a try on. And I have to tell you, if you've never tried Stitch Fix, oh, this is nice, this is soft. Their styling fee is $25, and if you use my styling fee, if you use my referral link, we both receive a $25 credit. And I think that they waive the styling fee for your very first box. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I hear things both ways, so I don't know. Let me know, when you guys ordered your first Stitch Fix, did they waive your styling fee? I think they do, but I don't know. It's been a while. Okay, so this is kind of cute. It's got a hood. Not usually a hood person, but I'm finding out that I do have hoods. It's kind of heavy, but not too heavy, but it's not thin. It looks like it's a little longer in the back. It's very pretty. Look at this. Kind of a cream color, and the sleeve is a little different. Ooh, sleeve looks short. Okay. Okay, well, I'll give you more information when I do the try on. Try not to talk when I've got that noisy paper going on. Sometimes I forget. Okay, this is kind of cute. I mean, I don't typically like a light gray. I do have some light gray. I think I remember this. Do I? I don't remember. Who cares? You know, when you think about it, who cares? You guys don't care if I've seen it or if I didn't see it or I picked it or I didn't pick it. If I can remember or not remember. Let's just see the clothes, Barbara. Okay. Oops. Here we go. Oh, these sleeves are kind of neat. I kind of like that. I don't care for light gray, but I do wear some light gray. I'd rather have a darker gray, but that's kind of cute. You know, price plays a lot in my decision. I have my grandson today. Mike's home today, and I sent them off so I could do some filming. I called him and I said, okay, I'm getting ready to film my Stitch Fix. He goes, how much time can we be gone? I'm like, just give me an hour. An hour's fine. He said, okay, then we can come home. I'm like, yeah. Oh, this is big. I'm surprised this be oversized. It's kind of cute. I bet that looks cute on. It's nice. That's the thing. All right, I have to say, most of the time, I find that Stitch Fix clothing items feel they're good quality for the price. Now the prices can get a little high, and I did request a more reasonably priced box. So I don't know what the prices are, but we'll go over all that. Ooh, these look little. What size are these? A 28. Oh yeah, no. Those are not going to fit this girl. Here I am out here. Stretch. Oh, I will try. Oh, but they're skinnies. These are not going to fit me. They're skinnies. I don't know why. No one is getting the memo that I have sent out. No more skinnies. Do not send me skinnies. I don't know why. Oh, do I sound like I'm yelling? I do sound like I'm yelling. I'm sorry. I just don't send me any skinnies. I am not going to get these on. I'm telling you right now. But I'll give it a try. We'll see. You never know. There might be enough stretch. If they were boot cut, I might be able to get them on. I don't know why. This is an odd color. No. Yeah, I don't wear colored pants. I mean, I cut from the cloth. I just had some in my trunk club. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll put this up there so you can see it. Another pair of skinnies. Okay, so I do like the style. I like the double buckle, but snaps at the top. I do like that. I don't know, they might end up looking really good. Never know till you try them on. All right, let's see if I can squeeze into these. I am eating my words. These jeans are amazing. And yes, they have a lot of stretch, let me tell you. Okay, here's the whole outfit. I just put some tennis shoes on with the jeans. They're a good length for me. I could dress them up or dress them down. And the sweater is really, really cute. All right, so let's just kind of break it down. I'm not sure about these jeans. Let me look at something. I want to see what the material is of this shirt. Okay, because I really like it. Even the color's okay. Even the high neck's okay. I think I like it because there's something different about it. Is this ruching on the side, and then it has the little tie. It could get a little frustrating if you're trying to put a sweater on over the top of this, but a jacket, I think you'll be okay. It's a nice transition piece, especially right now. I think it's 60 degrees out today. It was 80 yesterday. So I really like this. I wish I could get it in a different color, and I might check and see if it comes in a different color, but I really like it. It's by Stitches and Stripes. I am wearing a size small. It's $68. I like the length of it. I like that the hem has the different type of ribbing on it. It's really, even the color is okay. I like it. What do you guys think? $68, that seems a little high, but I really, really like it, so I would pay the price for it. But the material, it is cotton and viscose, and it's hand wash or dry clean. I'm like, really? I don't know. Everybody else is doing stuff on delicate in the machine and laying it out to dry, and that's probably what I would end up doing. More than likely, I'm going to keep this. But I am going to look and see if it comes in a different color, and if so, if I can switch it out. But I really like it because it is different. All right, I don't know. Let's talk about these jeans. Oh my goodness. These are by STS Blue. And they're the Ellie, a size 6, $55. $55. They feel amazing. They feel like jeggings. Okay, here's the thing I like about these. I love the color. I like that they're high-waisted. I don't like that they're skinnies, but they fit like jeggings. They are 5-pocket, the zipper, you know, the typical stuff. I think they make my booty look a little smushed. I don't know. I like the length of them. They feel great. I'll tell you what, these could not go in the dryer. No. I don't put any of my jeans in the dryer. I'm afraid that them shrinking. I'm afraid that if I go up a size with all the stretch that's in them, they're gonna stretch out. So that's probably why she went ahead and sent me a size 6. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this also. When I put in my request, I did ask for a box that is less than $250 or less. And I received this nice message from Shelby, who styled me. She says, "Hi there, Barbara. I completely understand the frustration wanting to keep fall items and the entire fix under $250. Remember my last fix, I had some summer items. I'll put that up here if you guys haven't seen it. Truthfully, the algorithm selects some items for you that might be a higher price point because of pieces you have selected in the past." Well, thanks. I went back through your fix history and inventory and found some fabulous pieces for you to try, all within a great price point. Let's start, and then she goes on to talk about everything. Let's see. All right, so the other thing that Stitch Fix gives you is a card, and it gives you ideas on how to style it. Okay, honestly, I don't normally look at this. I just wear what I like with what I like. So I try to mix and match in that, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just being a Grammy, you know. All right, let's try something else on. Okay, this looks cute with the jeans, and I actually finished reading Shelby's note, and she did ask for me to pair this with the jeans, and it does cover the bum, which is nice. Has the slit. The draws, these don't bother me. Are they working? Yeah, they make the hood tighter. On a cold day, sitting outside somewhere, having a glass of wine by a fire pit. Let's see. It feels like I'm wearing a oversized sweater, and I guess I am. It feels confining, I guess. Even though it's loose, I think it's the sleeves. You know, these drop down. I'd like for them to be under my arm, but you know, so it's different than here. The texture, I like it, but I think it's too thick for me to wear. It is by Fate. It's the cable knit hooded sweater, size small, $68, which I think is a really good price because it feels substantial. It's soft. Has a different ribbing on the bottom. Oh, somebody's mowing their lawn. This does not excite me. It feels like with the drop sleeve, I want to keep going like this. And maybe if it fit like that and had the long sleeves, it might be a contender. But yeah, this isn't going to work. All right, let's try the last two items. Last two items. Okay. Let's talk about this sweater. This is by Design History. It is called the Ida Waffle Knit Sweater Pullover. I'm wearing a size small. It's $68. Okay, one of the first things I check to make sure that the stripes line up, which they do. I mean, it's a nice sweater. It's cute. It's nice. It's thick. Like, it's not too thick. So you can see that it's kind of the waffle knit. It's got the cuff on it. That's different. The neck is a little bit wider, so that I'm okay with that. It's a nice length. It just doesn't excite me. This is not one of those things that I would want to reach for in my closet, so I'm not going to keep it. It is nice though. It's a really nice, you could feel the quality in it. I like that the sleeves are longer. It's just, no, I just won't reach for it. I'm not liking stripes. I just want to stay away from some stripes right now. So this is a no, even though it is pretty. Let's see, the pants, the jeans. All right, these are cut from the cloth. I didn't realize that. They are a high-rise double button. These are buttons, not snaps, and it does zip. There's little coin pockets. I'm assuming, yeah, they open. You've got the belt loops, pockets in the back, skinnies, good length. They feel nice. They really, really feel nice. Size 6, $88. I won't, they're okay. I don't want any skinnies. That's kind of where I'm at. I just don't want any more skinnies. So let's see, what am I thinking? All right, if I were to keep everything, my box is $347. Okay, Shelby, that's not $250. That's $347. Let's see, each individual item was priced more reasonable than what my last few boxes were. If I were to keep all 5, I'd get $86.75 discount, which would bring it down to $260.25, which there's the close to $250, but I really want a $250 box before the discount, because most of the time I don't keep all 5. Let's see, what am I thinking about? Okay, this is a no because it doesn't wow me and I don't really need it. It is nice. If you're looking for something like this, I think it's a very nice sweater. The jeans, they're an odd blue, and I'm just not, okay, I don't want any more skinnies. I just don't want any more skinnies, straight leg. I mean, I'll do straight leg or boot cut. No more skinnies. So I'm going to hold strong to that, and I'm going to return these. These 2 items are a no. Is this okay? Yeah. All right. This just didn't feel right. It just, with the drop shoulder. So it's nice though. It's thick. So that's a no. The jeans I'm going to pass on because, again, they're skinnies. I have other jeans that I can wear. I'm amazed by these. These really surprised me, but I don't really need them. So I'm not going to be tempted. I'm going to return them. If I was going to keep 4 other items, then of course these would have been a keeper, but that didn't happen. Okay, I am keeping the sweater. Yeah, $68, but yeah, but I really like it. Yeah, hand wash. So, because I don't have anything like it. Here's the sleeve a little bit better. I really like it. I think it's cute. But I'm going to see if I can exchange it for a different color. If not, this is mine. All right, that's it. That is my Stitch Fix. I have to say this is a whole lot better. Shelby, if you're watching, you did a great job. I mean, everything that you sent, I really like. But do I love it enough to pay for it? If you want to just give them to me, I'll take them and I'll wear them. But I have to pay for these. So this is going to be my only keeper. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.